Hey everyone, Iba here. If you've ever had to work on an integration and manually review security risks before merging, you know exactly how time-consuming it can be. Today, I'm excited to unveil a brand new feature of OptiBot, which is automating security reviews and streamlining decisions. If you're new here, OptiBot is our first AI agent built by Optimal AI for code reviews, and it helps engineering teams automate security checks, risk assessments, and flag issues automatically inside GitHub so that you can merge faster and with confidence. We've been using this feature for a couple of months now at Optimal, and so have our early customers. What's interesting is that the agent is analyzing security risks and code changes. So it's flagging concerns, it's giving the line-by-line code changes that should occur. So why don't we hop into GitHub and take a look at two of our PRs that OptiBot flagged. Here, we added some Jira functionality and integration inside Optimal. And so Edmund, one of the engineers on our team, asked OptiBot to run a review. You just type hashtag OptiBot review. Immediately, within a minute, OptiBot actually runs the review itself. But here's what's interesting. It shows that the PR introduced some minor redundancy in type definitions. So you can actually just address it for better code maintainability, but it doesn't block the merge. So it also mentions whether or not it thinks it would block merging for the PR. It says type definition seems redundant, and then Sayed was like, hey, this is a valid request from OptiBot. From there, once it highlighted the redundancy, you can also ask OptiBot to run a compliance check. You just type hashtag OptiBot space compliance, that's a prompt. From there, OptiBot can immediately run the security analysis of the code chain set. Here it says that this code chain introduces a new feature. Here are some of the controls affected, as well as whether or not there were obvious issues found. What's really cool about this is that we are going through our SOC 2 observation period, and it was immediately able to tell us what type of controls are affected within the SOC 2 realm. To recap, OptiBot doesn't just flag the issue, it actually gives you two immediate remediation options. What's an ideal fix? Instead of, for example, exposing raw links or identifiers, store and display only what's necessary, ensuring secure access. And then it also gives an alternative fix, which is, let's say you can implement access controls so only authorized users can view sensitive data. Now, how can engineers use this right away? They can either review and apply fixes in one click, or they can use the AI-assisted merge. And so if OptiBot provides multiple actions, you can compare them, tweak as needed, and merge directly within your workflow. Now let's take a look at another example. Here, it looks like new PR, also related to the Jira integration. OptiBot summarized the PR, which is great because any of the engineers jumping in can immediately get context from the summary. From there, OptiBot reviewed the PR as well, which has saved our engineers so much time in terms of reviews. And it actually says that it introduced a minor security vulnerability. But from there, it also highlighted the line-by-line code changes. Nice job. And from there, the PR was merged. So we're already hearing from our customers that this feature is enabling merge times to improve by at least 30% by highlighting some of the security risks upfront. So the idea behind OptiBot is we wanted to build in security automation that works inside your workflow, whether you're using GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. And we're now in private beta. So if you'd like to give OptiBot a spin, head on over to getoptimal.ai, and we'd love to add OptiBot to your team. Thank you so much.